What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because today I have a makeover video for you. So if you are new here, my name is Baina. I'm an interior designer and this is the first in a series of makeover projects as I renovate and redecorate my new 1940s vintage apartment here in Dallas. So it's been like 3 weeks since I moved in and I feel like I'm actually making really good progress. I love the apartment. It's so my vibe. The worst space in this apartment is the kitchen. So that's where I decided to start my decorating process. I actually have textured walls all throughout this space and in particular on the backsplash of the kitchen. And I knew that I wanted to do some kind of like marble contact paper on the kitchen counters. And then I was like, can I do a peel and stick subway tile or what can I do on the backsplash? And I was at the Dollar Tree just picking up laundry detergent and I saw this contact paper and I was like, let me buy this contact paper to test it on the textured walls and to see what material I need to put between the two, you know, if I'm gonna do like a marble backsplash or something like that. So I brought it home and I thought, what would that look like in that room? So I put it up on the wall and I was like, immediately like, oh my God, this is so good. I love it. So I have a front door and I have a back door. I park in the back of the house. So every time I come home, I'm coming into the back door. When I open that door, it needs to be an amazing view. That's just a general rule in design. Whenever you enter your home, the first wall that you see is your future wall, okay? That means that you need to put things that are important to you, things that you want to attract. It's the first impressions of your guest. You want to walk in and feel immediately inspired. This was pretty challenging. This contact paper is thin and you don't just roll out each roll and then it's all lining up. You have to cut it, you have to try to match up that pattern. So I actually would recommend starting the strip in the center of your wall and building out from there. You get better as you work with it, but basically it took me about 4 days and sometimes like 6-hour days or 4-hour days to do the whole thing. I got the entire part where the washer and dryer goes wallpapered by the time they were coming for installation. And then once that was installed, I finished the shelves. What it did when I put up this contact paper was it created life. You know, it was kind of a dead space, but as soon as I put the paper up, it literally lifted the energy and just felt like an extension of the kitchen. So this washer and dryer to me is beautiful. I love it, but it's kind of old and it's dated. So I wasn't sure if I should get this top loader stackable metal one that I ended up purchasing, or if I should get the front loader, which looks a lot more stylish and design and rich. So I went over to my Instagram stories and I asked you guys to help me and you guys gave me some good advice, okay? There was mixed answers, but the majority of people were saying, get the top loader, get the metal one. I don't care if it looks old, it will never break on you. And I intuitively felt the same. Just I've heard bad things about those front loaders, that they can get mildewy and leak at the doors. And I negotiated $600 tax included with free delivery and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I thought that was a good deal when I was looking for washers and dryers. Before I had that washer and dryer purchase though, honey, I went to that store with every single measurement. I had the measurement of my front door, the stairs, the hallway, the doorway leading to the dining room, everything. There's nothing more comforting and luxurious than doing laundry anytime you want during the day. It's just, I used 41 rolls of the paper. So that was literally $41. The shelves were 100% the hardest part of it. I needed to do the whole entire thing, okay? Because the whole look is all about creating this cocoon of pattern, you know? So on the shelves, that was super tricky because again, this is vintage. So some of these wood shelves are kind of dusty and drier. They don't have like, it wasn't sticking a lot. Like I had to use a staple gun in a couple areas just to staple it, just to make sure it wasn't gonna flop down. If you really look in there, you're gonna see like it's like, it's a little funky. But again, once you put things in there and back out, you're not really gonna notice it. So I know myself, and I knew that if I tried to achieve perfection when it came to styling the shelves in here, I would never make this video. So we need to move forward, and basically I have learned that you kind of need to be in a space for a while before you necessarily invest tons of money in like storage containers, let's say. So my kitchen is going to be painted on Saturday. I haven't even unpacked half of my dishes because I need to clear out the entire kitchen, and I kind of need to use this pantry as like just putting all that junk in there while we're doing that project. So I decided to use what I have for styling purposes, and I have like tons of these like mint green and white IKEA things, which I think are cool. I don't know if it's like gonna be the end result of what I end up doing. And that's why it's like not gonna be like perfect, but it's like fine. Like, this is real life, like in real design, you need to take your time with a few things. So I feel like just the majority of getting everything like wallpapered and getting the washer and dryer and like having it be a functioning space is like amazing.
Great idea.
I just got a really great idea. Okay, I need that cardboard box in there because I'm still storing some stuff and it fits perfectly. What if I contact papered the cardboard box? It sounds so picky and ridiculous, but I think I'm gonna try it because then I might actually like it. That helps a lot. That is so cool. Okay, so the cardboard box idea is actually really cool. It kind of disappears. So that gives me the idea that what I might do is find plastic bins and then wallpaper those as well, because I kind of like the idea of the majority of stuff in that pantry actually kind of disappearing. You don't really want to see it. Obviously, you want to see enough to know what it is. But that was a very affordable way to try that idea out, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you love it as much as I do. It's such a major transformation. It's really cheerful, and it's going to tie in nicely to the plans that I have for my kitchen makeover. So once again, hit that subscribe button if you want to really just follow along this new journey of me decorating from start to finish this entire apartment. Super excited. I'm going for it. After years of being in the design world and loving design and having a list of everything I want, I've decided I'm just going to give myself everything I want. We're just going to do what we want. Finally. Okay? No compromising. No, I really want this dining table, but this one's cheaper. I'll just get it. No, we're getting the dining table we want. We're doing it. So super, super excited. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.